Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. Do you want to qualify for a USDA loan but are not sure where to start? How do you qualify for a USDA loan? In my opinion, the USDA program is still greatly underutilized, with many banks and lenders not even offering the program, while others do so in only a limited manner. Today's video will show you the steps needed on how to qualify for a USDA loan and where to start. And if you've not yet done so, take advantage of our free USDA Blueprint for Success with a link below. This is a great educational resource designed for both homebuyers and realtors and will help walk you through the USDA process step by step. So you want to qualify for a USDA loan but are not sure where to start. First off, the property being purchased must be a primary residence and be located within a USDA eligible area. Also, USDA loans are an income-based program which calculates total family household income, not just who is on the loan. However, for loan qualifying, we can only use the income of whoever is on the loan, which is otherwise known as repayment income. Now, thankfully, USDA has a very user-friendly site that can help determine if your property is eligible and also provide county income limits for each state. While minimum credit conditions do apply, USDA loans can offer qualifying flexibility for previous bankruptcies, foreclosures, and short sales. Exceptions are case by case, so if you have a specific scenario to discuss, please inquire with my team so we can start to review. Now, in situations where there is a limited credit history, USDA guidelines will also allow what is called non-traditional or alternative credit references, such as verification of rent, telephone, or utility payment histories as common examples. Remember that while USDA loans are often thought of as being a first-time homebuyer program, they are also available for previous homeowners. Obviously, this was just a beginning and a broad overview, but I wanted to share with you answers to common questions that we receive and help get your USDA journey started in the right direction. As you know by now, USDA loans are in the blood of my entire team. As an approved USDA lender, Metroplex Mortgage Services is proud to serve our rural communities. Just call or email if you have any USDA qualifying questions, want to discuss a new scenario, or would just like to take advantage of our free second opinion service, which is great for both existing transactions or new pre-qualifications. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day, and I look forward to seeing you right here for the next Tip of the Week.